I'm a goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inadmissible in my physical. Habitual is inexplicable.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Review. So today I'm going to be reviewing another Bobbi Boss unit. This is the Kiliah, and I got it in the color 1B. This is a 360 degree Swiss lace wig with deep free parting. It's a human hair blend. It says it has free parting for updo styles, and it's made with a flexi fit cap. It says that you can part in any direction, and it has the 360 all around lace with a natural hairline. So this is what the box is looking like. So let's just take it out and see what it's looking like. So straight out of the box, this is what Kiliah looks like. I really like this curl pattern. Let me just show you what the front is looking like. It does come with baby hairs. The inside of the cap construction has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. So since it is a 360, it also has that lace in the back, and it does come with baby hairs in the back as well. So let's just pop this on and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like with the lace still on. These baby hairs don't seem super thick, but they probably can use some manipulation. You may be able to get away with sort of just brushing them to the side like so. But it doesn't look like it's going to be too much work, hopefully. The parting space is looking really good off the bat. It is darker lace, so I feel like that should be much easier to blend in with my skin complexion. So let me just cut this lace off and see what I can do with this. Okay, you guys, so normally I do more stylings, but with this unit I was experiencing a good amount of tangling. I think it's because of the length. The texture is definitely yaki, so it doesn't make it too extreme, but I just was not feeling going through all that work to try to get it to part and lay down, because like you see, it sort of has this nice flow where when you part it, it's sort of like it'll like fall in your face. So it is kind of a good amount of work when you're actually trying to get it parted and to actually make it stay. So I sort of just brushed it down into place. So the parting space on this is nice. You definitely do have versatility, but you should definitely be aware that laying the baby hairs down is a little bit difficult, as well as trying to part it into different styles, even though you do have that capability with this unit. So this is what it looks like with all the hair to the front. Comes right below my boobs. This is to the side. And this is everything to the back. So I do like this unit. I really like the curls and just the way that it falls, the way that it's layered, the yaki texture, the fact that it fits my head pretty snug. The parting space is amazing. But this definitely, I wouldn't consider it a throw on and go, just because you sort of have to do some manipulations to the baby hairs. I thought I would be able to get away with just sort of swooping them as they came, but I ended up having to cut them down some because they were a bit long. So this is definitely a unit you're going to have to put some work into. So if you're looking for sort of just an easy throw on and go unit, I wouldn't go for this one. But if you're looking for something that's going to give you just like a really classic, cute, romantic sort of vibe, and you're willing to put in a little bit of work to get it to look nice for you, I think this is definitely a good one. I would probably cut it down some just so that it's more manageable. You definitely will be getting some shedding with this, which is to be expected. Some tangling, of course, but I don't think it's anything too extreme, and this is one I probably would pick up again just because I really like the texture as well as just the style in general. So I hope you guys liked this video. Just give me a like, give me a comment, subscribe for some new content weekly, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.